and this is Toyota's first fully electric truck.
I wonder what Toyota's going to bring to the party, because the BZ4X was a...
I don't think they cared about it, though.
No,
they care about the Hilux.
The Hilux name is huge.
Yeah.
But the BZ4X was a, what do you call
Obligatory.
it? Yeah. It's
because we have to.
Checking a box, and we're going to save on some costs by working with our partner, Subaru.
I thought that was interesting, too, because they do really care about the Hilux name, and they're deciding to make an all-electric version.
Huh. We'll see how that goes.
Yep. And that's for 2026. It's made for the European market.
Yeah, still won't be coming here.
Yeah. Yeah, none of them are coming here. Also, Australian fleet sales will be able to get the electric version as well.
Do you know how far you have to go in Australia to go from one place to another?
If you're trying to go from one major city to another, yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't think the expectation is you're going from city to city.
If you're in, I guess if you keep your Hilux in the place you bought it. But
yeah, the range is not great.
You drive for hours seeing nothing, even more than the Western United States.
Well, I don't think you would get the electric version if that's what you're doing.
That's true. That's true.
You get the diesel one. So pricing and exact availability is still unknown. It's a 59 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery with dual motors. It's 151 pound-feet of torque in the front and 198 in the rear. 193 horsepower total. All-wheel drive only, 3,500 pound tow capacity and almost 1,600 pounds payload. They're targeting 150 mile range, which if that's what their target is, in optimal scenario, I think real life, you actually have anything in the truck bed, you're towing anything.
That's smaller than the Model 3
the battery pack.
The battery pack. My battery pack in Model 3 is 65.
It sounds like they're trying to make it really affordable, is what it sounds like.
I wonder if they'll do that.
Because they're not doing a 200 kilowatt hour battery. They're not going for just like the maximum range.
It would have been really cool to see their diesel
as a rev. Mm-hmm. That would be cool. So yeah, Toyota's first electric truck.